Today, we will dive into how to replace a new page created in EComposer with the old page in Shopify. For example, you can see on the left side is your old Contact Us page, but it is not as visually appealing. Then you decide to build and use EComposer's Contact Us page instead to have a fully customized and fabulous-looking page, as you can see from the right side. If we're all clear, let's jump right in. First of all, open the EComposer app dashboard. You can open an existing EComposer page that you have done, or click Start Building to create your page in EComposer. Then choose what you prefer, such as the Contact Us page. Then select the design that you like the most to use. Click Publish and set the page title to easy to find that page for the setting later on. Choose Save and Publish. When you see the pop-up, your new page is now ready to be connected to Shopify. Next, if you are using a Kalles theme, you can find the navigation in your theme customized. Go to Shopify Admin, Online Store, Theme Customize, Header Inline. Find the mega item that you need to change and click Link. Remove the old one, then search for the page title of the page that you just created from the EComposer app. Alternatively, you can copy the page URL and paste it to use. Click Save to save your changes. You can follow this way if you're using another theme but not Kalles theme. Go to Shopify Admin, Content, Menus. Open the menu where the old page appears. Click the menu item you want to update. Remove the old Shopify page link. Then search for the page title of the page that you just created from the EComposer app. Alternatively, you can copy the page URL and paste it to use. Click Save to save your changes. This makes your menu lead customers to your newly created EComposer page. That is the end of today's EComposer tutorial, and you can check the result from the live page. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to EComposer for more helpful tips, tutorials, and product updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next EComposer guide.